Go inside. Inside. Hurry. Oh. Is one of your classmates in there, or you know someone in there? No. Hi.
We got nachos and chicken sandwich.
One chicken sandwich and one nachos.
Okay.
We can do that.
I can get you some more chicken sandwich. Hey, it looks so pretty. Chocolate milk. Do you want orange juice or a pear or?
No, just milk. Milk.
You have to get a
Oh.
juice or
Okay.
or fruit.
You want apple juice or orange juice? Yan?
Here, baby.
Apple juice? Okay.
Apple?
Thank you. Oh,
Okay, what do you want, baby?
maybe just one. How about you, Ivan? You want orange apple?
Grape?
Grape? Okay.
It wants great.
He wants grape, Mommy.
Okay, thank you.
All right, there's your other
There's
plate,
your
baby.
chocolate milk. I'm sorry they make us let y'all take the
Okay.
yeah because it's a balanced meal.
Ah,
You get your vegetable, fruit,
That's what we're all
carbs.
about,
Yep.
balanced meal.
Do you need a bag?
You need a
no,
bag.
no, we're good.
No? Okay.
Come on, let's go. Thank you. Say
Get your
thank you.
milks
Say
and your
thank
juice.
you. Say thank you.
Have a good day, babies.
Say thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Come on, let's go. Hi, Ivan. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your food? That's your food.
Yeah.
Yeah, ito yung free lunch nila. Yeah. Grape juice, apple juice, then chocolate milk. Chocolate milk, right? And this one is, let me see. Let's open.
Ah!
Chicken sandwich
Ah!
with broccoli. Wow.
Wait.
Yeah, go eat. You like broccoli, huh? Good. Yeah. And this one, the other one. Look at nacho, I think. Nacho grande, I think. It's chips and ground beef and broccoli. And this one is cheese. Nacho cheese. Okay. It's time to eat. Eating time. Say hi, Evan. Say let's eat. Yeah. Oops. Oops. Okay, let's eat. Ivan. Hey. Okay. Yeah. What are you eating, Ivan? Okay. I'll fix it. That's enough. That's good enough. What that? Chips? And how about this one? Wash your hand for the chips. Yeah, not like that. Hey. Say. Hey. Shan. Say let's eat. Ivan, say let's eat. Busy? Busy eating?
She's up to something. And
Wow.